So again, this disadvantage is meron tayong cost, complexity, vulnerability, compatibility, and technological requirements. So etong mga to, na disadvantage na to, lalo na tong technological requirements and compatibility and also security, pansinin nyo na lang lagi yung nangyayari sa BPI. If yung mga bangko, I mean not particularly on the BPI, but some banking that is are really prone to the glitch, or merong nang-hack sa system nila. So sobrang laking yung security natin dito is hindi pa ganun ka fully verified. So next is compatibility and technological requirements. Kapag compatibility naman, it's sabi ko nga kanina, meron tayong mga technology na kailangan natin na or technological requirements na kailangan natin siyang i-check. Let's say yung computer is medyo luma, and then yung ginagamit mong application is medyo advanced, hindi siya gagana. So medyo sabi nga natin yung cost is medyo mahal. Compatibility, we need to have the same compatibility or mas mataas, or meron tayong tinatawag na version by version. And technological requirements, same with the computer issues and softwares na kailangan updated lagi. So how does it work? So meron tayong mga tinatawag na end users. Application program, ito yung ginagamit nating application. Let's say we have the application program na ginagamit ng mga end user. Ito po yung mga, for example, cashier, and then this is a type of POS or point of sales. Programmers, sila yung nag-program ng application. Analyst, sila yung nag-analyze ng application na gagawin, and then si programmer, siya yung nag-program. So let's say for example, may bumili, nilagay ni end user or ni cashier sa POS, masasave yun sa DBMS. Ano yung nawala, magkano yung pumasok na pera. So hardware, masasave siya dito to the computer, and then meron tayong mga database administrator, siya yung magmamanage ng data kung may kulang. Let's say for example, may out of stock. Pag may out of stock, kay database administrator dapat yon, kasi siya yung nagmamanage. Ibig sabihin, madetect niya na kulang na tayo ng ganito. So kailangan natin siyang kailangan natin magdagdag ng mga kulang. So sir, ano po yung database designer? Si database designer, para siyang si analyst. Kung si analyst ay system programmer, si programmer naman, kung si analyst is siya yung siya yung nag-a-analyze ng program, or siya yung gumagawa ng flowchart. Siya din yung gumagawa dito. So siya si database designer. Ide-design niya yung database model para maging normalize yung data. So si supervisor or si system administrator, siya yung nagsusupervise kay database administrator. Ma'am, may kulang na ganito, siya yung mag-report. And also si system administrator, siya yung lahat gagawa ng mga, kung may kulang, ano yung mga dapat gawin, ano yung mga dapat ipasa, ano yung dapat baguhin, siya yun, system administrator. So kaya meron tayong procedure and standards na ginagawa ni end user. Ang pangit ng system na to, kailangan mas madali siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-friendly user. May glitch sa database, sasabihin nyo dito. Ipaparating mo na kay database administrator, and then gagawa ng paraan ng system add. System add, siya yung gagawa, or siya yung magpaplano kung ano yung dapat gawin. The database designer, and then the programmers, para mas madali yung gumana yung application programs. So we have 5 major part of database system is the hardware, software, peopleware, procedures, and then data. So database models, we have the database model categories, is yung conceptual model and then implementation model. When we say conceptual model, ito yung concept pa lang, or parang yung flowchart na ginagawa. Sabihin backdrop. Kung ito conceptual model, ito yung flowchart, Yung implementation model is ito naman yung how you will implement the database. Kung flowchart yon, ito yung program. Gets? Building blocks of database model. We have the entities, attribute, relationship, and constraint. Itong mga to, pag-aaralan natin siya later on sa mga susunod pang mga weeks. Pero ngayon, happyawan ko lang siya kasi we need to madali lang naman kasi talaga siya. So we have here the 3 types of relationship. One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng example regarding on this kasi medyo madali na siya. So, isa, sabi nga natin, isa para sa isa, or 1:1, one data to one data, one to many, one data to many users, many to many, many users to many data. Okay? So, type of database models. Meron tayong hierarchical model, network model, relational model. So, ang pinaka-common na makikita nyo sa gagamitin natin is ito po, relational model. Because we are dealing with relational databases. So, entity relationship or ER model. At the end of the class, gagawa tayo nito para sa inyong pag gumawa na kayo ng case study. And also, object-oriented model. This object-oriented you will learn in your OOP subject. So, i-skip ko na siya. So, database management system. What is a database management system? It is to manage the database structure and control access to the data stored in the database. So, DBMS, management system. Ito yung mga examples na DBMS na gagamitin natin. So, si MySQL, ito yung gagamitin natin. Oracle, hindi na. Ito lang yung mga examples ng database management system. MS SQL, and so on. Marami pa kasing database management system. So, common function of database management system is the database management, dictionaries, storage, security, backup, and recovery, data transformation and presentation, multi-user access control, access to the database via language and application interference. So, data dictionary, it's only about the metadata repository, centralized repositories of information about data such as meaning, relationship to the other data, origin, and format. So, types of data dictionary, meron tayong standalone and then integrated. Kasi sa DBMS, meron tayong mga third-party dictionaries na separate siya from the database management system. Sabihin, pwede tayong gumamit doon. Library from Java and so on. Kung doon mo siya i-connect. So, integrated, including, ito na yung part sa DBMS na pwede lang natin siyang tawagin. Next is classification of data and dictionaries, active and then passive. Meron tayong tinatawag na active and passive regarding on the data itself. Let's say, for example, naglagay ka na ng date ng birthday mo. It means kung anong taon na ngayon, pwede siyang mag-automatic or active, automatically updated. It means na yung data is automatically updated. Kung 25 ka ngayon, next year, once na nag-birthday ka, automatically updated. Ang tawag doon is active. While the passive one is required processing. Sir, ano po yun? When we say required processing, ito po yung mga kailangan natin siya or required na meron tayong process. Ibig sabihin, may human interaction na kailangan mong i-update. Nagpakasal ka, kailangan mong palitan yung apelyido mo. Hindi naman siya automatically na mag-update. You need to have a passive requirement to process. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ng human interaction. Okay? So again, before we proceed, kung may questions kayo regarding sa lahat ng topic na nauna, you can message me or dun sa Google Classroom natin, you can ask me anything there. So mag-end na naman yung video. So I will see you again on the next video. So have a great day.